Hold up! Do you want to know everything there is to know about the Triton Unlimited Rebate Planer? Let's get cracking then! The TRPUL is Triton's middle child in their range of handheld planers. It's wider and more powerful than the 450 watt mini planer, but smaller and more nimble than the 1500 watt TPL 180. But this tool has a few nifty little tricks that other planers don't, which may just earn it a place in your workshop. Firstly, the TRPUL has a triple bladed drum, which is a unique feature to Triton. This means that the planer can deliver an extra 50% more cuts per minute versus the competition with their standard two-bladed drum. That means that this 750 watt machine can achieve 46,500 cuts per minute at 15,500 RPM. Having more cuts per minute means that you'll remove material faster, have less wear on each blade, and get a better finish. This beastie planer can also make cuts of up to 3 mil per pass. For the second feature, the clue is in the name, the Unlimited Rebate Planer. A rebate, or rabbet for our American viewers, is a groove or recess cut into the edge of a piece of material. The edge of the TRPUL is completely flat and perfectly lined up with the cutting drum. This means that you can cut rebates to an unlimited depth. But when you're not cutting rebates, always make sure this cover is left down to make sure the blades are covered. Having one side completely flat means that you can plane right up against a wall or a flat surface, which is something that other planers can't do. It comes with a separate sanding drum, which can be swapped out to turn it into a handheld drum sander. The included fence means that you can take repeated cuts at a set distance. The dial on the back allows you to change the direction that the chips go, or where you can attach your dust collection. The motor is located directly above the cutting drum, which adds pressure to the cutting area and makes the tool super comfortable to use. It has a built-in parking foot, which flips down between cuts to protect your blades and work surfaces when resting the machine down. The speed control on the back allows you to change the cuts per minute to suit the material you're cutting perfectly. Now let's take you through the full specs. The planer has a power of 750 watts. You could choose from 17 different positions using the depth controller up to a maximum of 3mm per cut. The maximum cutting width is 82mm, and as mentioned, there is no maximum rebating depth. The tool can reach 46,500 cuts per minute at a maximum RPM of 15,500. All of this in a tool that weighs under 4 kilos. What a beauty! In the box, you'll get the unit itself already fitted with the triple bladed planing drum. You'll get a sanding drum loaded with an 80 grit sanding sleeve. And you'll get some accessories including a dust bag and adapter, guide fence, attachment tools, and manual. So there you go, everything you needed to know about the Triton Unlimited Rebate Planer. It's got a load of features packed in, some of which won't be found on any other handheld planer on the market. If you like this video, check out some of our other videos on the Triton Tools YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of us, head on over to our channel, It's Brothers Make. See you on the next one, guys.